Okay, I have another Schlage cylinder lock. Has a KIK in it. It's a challenge lock. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. It's not too bad. Okay, let's see if we can use top of the keyway. And let's use this pick. Let's go to the back. Okay, we've got a little bit out of pin 5 then. Okay, there's pin 3, pin 2, a little bit on pin 1 then. Okay, a little bit more on pin 1. Thought I felt it giving a little feedback. Okay, there's pin 3 again as we were going through, felt it. More on pin 2. Pin 4. Okay, there's pin 6. A little bit more on pin 6. Got a little bit, or pretty good false set out of it. Okay, a little bit on pin 1 again. Let's go to the back. Okay, pin 6, and there it is, open. Alright, let's open it up. Look at the pins. Okay, let's use a proper tool taking this off. It works better. Okay, let's turn this to the right position. Alright, I think that'll do it. Okay, pin 1 is serrated, pin 2 is serrated, pin 3 serrated, pin 4 serrated, pin 5 serrated. Okay, all the key pins are serrated. And let's look at the okay, there is threading on every chamber. Looks like pin 1, 3, 4, and 6 are slightly enlarged at the top. Okay, let's look at our top pins now. Okay, pin 1. We'll look at it real close in a moment. Pin 2. Pin 3. Whoops, dropped it. Pin 4. Pin 5. And pin 6. Okay, every chamber in the Bible is threaded also. Okay, let's take a close look at the pins. Okay, there's pin 1, 2, and 3. This is some type of weird spool. This is another type of serrated spool type pin. And this is another little double spool. Okay, pin 4, 5, and 6. This is another double spool. Same on this one. And this one has got 3 cuts in it, serrated pin. Okay, that's what we have in the Schlage challenge lock. I appreciate your time. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again. I appreciate it.